What's up guys, this is Mark with WTI. So I recently learned that I could wash, shine, and protect my vehicle without water. No need to take it to a car wash. How is that possible? Thanks to Chemical guys. They came out with this EcoSmart RU waterless wash and wax spray. And look how simple it is for me to use this. Without any water, I just give my car a couple sprays, and then with a cleaning towel, look how easy it is to take off all that dirt and grime from my paint. The results are so awesome. Look at the shine it leaves on my vehicle. And here's another example. My hood. The dirt marks look like dents. However, it all comes right off, making my hood look brand new. It's a 3-in-1 system. It washes, it waxes, it protects. It could be used on paint, wheels, windows, and more. And it's designed to produce a scratch-free shine. And that's it. In the palm of my hand, I have everything I need to wash and wax my vehicle anytime, anywhere. You can't beat that. And that's just my point of view.